kids! Hope you are doing well today. Did you watch our video on MS Paint? If not, the link of that video is right up here. Well, today we would talk about TUX Paint. It is another interesting drawing program. Just like MS Paint, TUX Paint can also be used to make colorful drawings with the help of different tools present in it. To start TUX Paint, follow the steps given below. First, click on Start icon. The Start menu appears. A list of all programs appears on the left. Scroll down to see TUX Paint. Second, click on TUX Paint. A sub-menu appears. Third, click on TUX Paint. The TUX Paint program opens. You can start working on it. After opening TUX Paint, you see this. This is the toolbar. It contains all the drawing and editing tools. This is the drawing canvas. It is the largest part of the screen where you draw. This is the selector. Depending upon the selected tool, the selector shows different options to choose from. This is the color palette. It helps you select and fill colors in your drawing. In the toolbar, you can select the new tool and start a new drawing. To open a new drawing, follow these steps. First, click on New Tool from the toolbar. The color boxes and starter images will appear. Second, double-click on any color box or ready-made image to make it appear on the drawing canvas. The selected color or image will appear on the drawing canvas. You can use the Paint tool to draw freehand drawings of your choice. First, click on Paint tool from the toolbar. Different shapes and sizes of brushes will appear in the selector. Second, click on the brush pattern of your choice from the selector. You can click on the down arrow of the selector to see more brush patterns. Third, click on any color from the color palette. Fourth, now drag the mouse to make the drawing. You'll see the pattern drawn. Fifth, release the mouse when finished. For the shape tool, click on this icon and use it to draw different filled or unfilled shapes like circle, triangle, square, etc. First, click on the Shapes tool from the toolbar. Different shapes will appear in the selector. Second, click on any desired shape from the selector. Third, click on any color from the color palette. Fourth, on the canvas, drag the mouse to make the shape. You will see the shape drawn. Fifth, release the mouse when finished. You can use the Erase tool to erase any part of the drawing. First, click on Eraser tool. Different shapes and sizes of erasers appear in the selector. Second, click on any desired shape from the selector. Third, drag the mouse on that part of the drawing which you want to erase. The Lines tool is used to draw straight lines. First, click on Lines tool. Different brushes appear in the selector. You can click on arrows to see more brushes. Second, click on desired brush. Third, click on any color from the color palette. Fourth, press the left mouse button and drag it to make a line. The Stamp tool is another wonderful feature. It is used to paste a pre-drawn picture such as the picture of a cat, a flower, or a bird on your drawing canvas. First, click on the Stamp tool. A list of stamps appears in the selector. You can click arrows to see more stamps. You can also click these arrows to see more categories of stamps like animals, birds, etc. Second, click on any desired stamp from the selector. Third, move your mouse on the canvas. An outline of stamp follows the movement of mouse, showing where the stamp will be placed and how big it will be. Fourth, click anywhere on the drawing canvas to place the selected stamp. For the magic tool, you can use it to add special effects to the drawing. First, click on the magic tool. A list of magic tools appear in the selector. Second, click on a magic tool from the selector. Third, click on any desired color from the color palette. Now, depending on the selected magic tool, you can either click and drag or simply click the picture once. The magic effect will be applied. The fill button is simply used to fill color in any closed shape. For this button, first, click on magic tool. A list of magic tools appears in the selector. Second, click on arrows to find fill button. Third, click on fill button. Fourth, click on any color from the color palette. Fifth, take the mouse pointer inside the shape and click on it. The color will be filled. To quit the program, you have to first click on the quit tool. A box appears which asks whether you really want to quit or stay in the program. Second, click on Yes, I am done button. If you click on Yes, I am done button and you have not saved the current image, one more box appears which asks you whether you want to save the image or not. Third, click on Yes, Save It button. If it is a new image, then TUX Paint saves the image and quits. If it is not a new image or already saved image, a new box appears, which asks you whether you want to replace the old one or create a new file. Click on Yes, Replace the old one button. TUX Paint replaces the image and quits. TUX Paint is a really fun program. I hope you will enjoy making fun drawings and paintings in this program. That's all for today, kids. Until next time, keep learning and be future ready.